What is up YouTube? Ruben here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install Windows 2000 build 2128 in VirtualBox. Build 2128 is an RC2 build. I think that it's getting close towards the RTM, which is 2195. So let's go ahead and get started. So you're going to need VirtualBox, WinRAR or 7-zip, and a direct link to WinRAR PC. So let's get started. So hit new, and you're going to type in Windows 2000 build 2128. Then hit next, next, create, next, next. I'll do it in a different location. Create. Then click on settings. Click on storage, then click on the empty disk, and you're going to look for the Windows 2000 ISO to build 2128. It's only 387 megabytes. Then hit OK, then hit start. Then once you're in the virtual machine, click on input and then make sure you disable mouse integration. There you go. Turn that off. If you see this, that you're installing an evaluation version, just hit enter, enter, C, F8, enter, enter. Got it. This is build 2128. It's going to examine your hard drive and then it's going to copy files. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, so I'll be back. Once done, hit enter. Do not hit any key to boot from the CD. So that way it's going to boot into the hard drive, and now it should say Windows 2000. I'm going to capture it. Please wait. Then hit next. It's gonna install the drivers. During that time you will see the screen flash like it happened in Windows Powered in build 2091 of Windows 2000. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause the video, so I'll be back. In the regional settings, click on next, otherwise you can click on customize for your specific region. Then type in your name, then hit next, and I'm going to name it Win2K 2128. Then hit next, next. It's going to install networking components. Then click on next. In the typical settings, make sure you're set to workgroup and no, and then hit next. And now it's going to copy files. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, so I'll be back. If this comes up, just hit OK, then hit OK. And if there's a CD, make sure you take it out. Then hit finish. It's gonna start Windows. As you can see, is Windows 2000 Professional. As you can see, it says build 2128. So that confirms that you have installed Windows 2000 build 2128. If this comes up, just hit cancel, then hit OK. Uncheck that and then hit exit. When I right click my computer and hit properties, we have successfully installed Windows 2000 build 2128. If I hit run or WinRAR and then type WinRAR, you should see Windows 2000 build 2128. So thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon when I upload new videos. Also follow me on Twitter at RubenUpAducho17 or follow me on Instagram at RubenTransferFan. So that's how to install Windows 2000 build 2128 in VirtualBox. So I'll see you next time.